Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this Honda MSX125, better known as the Grom, registered the 2nd of September 2016 on a 66 plate with only 652 miles and presented in lemon ice yellow. This exceptionally low mileage example benefits from service history and tasteful extras, which include Oxford heated grips and useful front and rear cameras. It's a real head-turner built for fun. With a low 761mm seat height and a light 100 kg wet weight, the Grom is a blast to ride. It's surprisingly roomy for a small bike, making it perfect for new riders or even for the back of a motorhome adventure. This exceptional example will leave us serviced with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.